Hey guys, thank you for joining me and thank you for watching a JC Laforge video. Today we're going to be taking a look at something super easy to do. We're going to be taking a look at how to create a container template in Proxmox. So guys, the first thing I'm going to ask you is to log in your Proxmox and make sure that you're on the data center level. I'm going to make a few observations here. So you're going to see your node name here, and then you will go all the way down here and you will see some storage places that you've created. So let's go back here on the top and click on data center. So click on data center and this page should open. And then we're going to go all the way down here on storage. Once you click on storage, you will see that you have multiple names. You might have just one name. You might only have local. In either case, you need to find the storage that has container templates as part of its contents. And if you have that, then you know you can use this to download those templates. So now that you are here, you can see that we have a few things. We have the summary. This is going to show you types of content. Is it active? And you have the VZ dump, backup files, ISO images, container templates. And this is what interests us. We want to download some container templates so that we can use them when we are installing or creating a new container. So now you can see here that you have the summary of everything you have the backups. If you had any backups, you have ISO images. This is the place where you can basically just upload your ISOs or just download them from a URL. And what we're talking about in this video is going to be container templates. So what we're doing here is going to download a container template from the repository that they already have here. So you can see that we have a few choices that we can choose from. We have the turnkey. We also have the systems that you can choose from. So we can collapse all of these here, and you can see that you have the mail, which is not interesting for us because we are not trying to run the Proxmox mail gateway. And we have system, and we want the system because we're going to be downloading basically an operating system. In this case, we're going to get the Debian 12 bookworm, and we're going to click on it and we're going to download it. This should be super quick, and it doesn't really take a long time to happen. So give it a few seconds, and once you see task OK, then you know you're good to go. We're going to close this. Now that we have this template here, we can go back to the node, and from the node, we can then go to create container. And from here, you can see that we can choose which node, the container ID. It's sequential. Basically, if you already have 108, it's going to go directly to 109. We're going to give it a name. Let's give it a simple name. So Debian in our case, we're going to give it a password. So basically something super simple. This is only for demonstration purposes, guys. And then we're going to hit next. Now you will see that you have your storage. Remember, we saved and downloaded our container in the local directory. Once we're there, we're going to now click here and you'll see that our Debian standard is here. So we can click on it. We hit next. Choose everything. We can actually leave everything by default since this is an example. I'm going to put everything as even static. We won't need to use this at all. And now I can just hit create. And once you see the task OK, you know that something is happening. Now we can go to 109. It's going to appear over here. And now you can go directly to console. Give it a few seconds. We can actually look at the logs and see what's happening. So create OK, download done. And so you see, guys, we need to start the container. There you go, connected, boom, we're in. And it's that simple, guys. So that's how you download a container and use it to create your container, basically. All right, so what else can we do? So there are other ways to do this, guys, and the other ways are to use the command line. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your node here and go to shell. And of course, it's already logged in, so you're fine. And normally the first thing you do is to make sure that you have your list up to date. And to do that, we're going to type in this command. It's going to be pveam update, and this is going to update. So you can see here it says update successful. And now what we can do also, we can check to see a list of templates that we can download, and we can use this command, which is pvam available, and we can see that all of these are available for us to download. Now, in our case, we can try another Fedora 40. Let's do this. And the way we're going to do this one, guys, is going to be the same thing, but instead of pvam available, we're going to do download, and we're going to basically hit the name of the one we want. So in our case, we said what? Let's get Ubuntu 24. Actually, I changed my mind. Okay. So pvam download Ubuntu 24 and hit enter. It says not enough arguments. Aha. So the first thing we have to do, sorry about that, guys. We have to download, we have to select the storage. In our case, we want it to go over here in local. Yeah, that's how you write local, is it? Local. One day I'm going to get it. Boom. And just like that, it's downloaded. So now if we go to local, we'll see that we already have our Ubuntu 24 over here. And of course, guys, there is so much more you can do using the command line. So this Ubuntu LXC container here, we can now use it to basically create a new container just like we did with our Debian. So that's how you download that container templates, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.